If you use Canon R50 or R50B, this small accessories is not optional. This is the Canon AD-E1, and for some Canon cameras, this is must-have accessories if you shoot photography with flash. Very small, lightweight, solid build, weather-sealed base. It doesn't look exciting, but this one of the most important accessories for modern Canon camera. The Canon AD-E1 is strictly for photography flash. It is not for video lighting. It does not provide continuous light. It only triggers the flash when you take a photos. This keeps your channel trusted. Why AD-E1 is required on some Canon cameras? Canon changed the hot shoe on some of their new cameras. New cameras use multifunction shoe. Older flashes uses classic hot shoe. AD-E1 converts the new shoe back to the old one. Canon didn't remove flash photography. They just changed the connection. I mounted the Ulanzi F32 to the Canon AD-E1 and for my Canon R50V. Secure lock, no wobble, instant flash firing, reliable connection. Once mounted, the flash fires perfectly. No delay, no issue. For APS-C cameras like the R50V, the Ulanzi F32 has more than enough power for everyday photography. You need this adapter if you shoot photography with a flash. You own Canon R50, R50B or the model without the hot shoe. You already have the flashes. You want to save money and you want zero compatibility issue. If you are into video or vloggers, continuous lights users, people who new use flash, this is not for you. The Canon AD-E1 is not for luxury accessories. For some Canon users, it is requirement. If you own a Canon R50, R50D, or any cameras from Canon without hot shoe, you shoot photography with flash. This should already be in your camera bag. If this video saved your time or money, hit the like button. Subscribe for honest Canon gear guides. This is rphy. See you on the next vlog.